Which country is mentioned as having significant air pollution issues due to industrialization? Good thinking. India is the right answer. What year was the significant thinning of the ozone layer over Antarctica first discovered? A. Perfect. 1985 is the correct choice. What international treaty was established to limit the production of chlorocarbons? Solid response. Montreal Protocol is a valid choice. Which countries face significant challenges with air pollution? Strong choice. India and China is the right answer.
Which air pollutant is primarily sourced from motor vehicles? Right choice. Carbon monoxide is the best answer.
Gravity setting chambers are used in industries to remove. Excellent. Suspended particulate matter is a brilliant choice. Gravity settling chamber is used to remove particle size. Nice selection. 400 micron is the correct and valid answer.
Which factor triggered the dispersion of air pollutant?
Smart pick. Meteorological and temperature is the correct choice. In what year was the original Clean Air Act enacted? Bravo! 1970 is the answer.
In Gaussian model, pollutant present in the plume is?
Nice work. You chose inert and it is correct. What does the EPA regulate under the Clean Air Act?
You chose air quality, and it is correct.
The gas velocity less than dash for good results. You're right. 0.5 mms is the correct answer. In Gaussian model, each plume is assumed to form. Excellent choice. Bell-shaped curve is the right answer. What was the primary goal of the Clean Air Act? Clear logic. Your choice to control air pollution is sound and 100% true. What is a major source of particulate matter? Well done. Industrial activities is the right choice. What causes the depletion of the ozone layer? Good job. Your answer, chlorine atoms from chlorocarbons, works well here. Which plume behavior is safe to environment? Smart move. Lofting is an accurate answer. What does the ozone layer protect us from? Great job. Ultraviolet light is the accurate answer. How many dispersion models are available? Well picked. 5 is the correct answer. Which plume pattern is highly dangerous? Great thinking. Fumigating is the right choice. What is another name for millibars? Exactly. Hectopascal makes sense and it is right choice. Dicken formula is used to calculate. Valid point. Wind speed is true. How many types of plume behavior? Sharp thinking. 6 is the right choice. Advantages of settling chamber is? Correct response. Low pressure drop is the most accurate answer. Atmospheric stability deals with? Correct. Vertical motion of air is the right answer. Another name of Deacon formula. Nicely done. Wind profile power law is a solid answer. Photochemical smog is due to? On track. NOx Volcano 3 is the correct answer. radiation inversion occur in?
Right again, coastal area is a valid answer.
Atmosphere is dominated by? Well reasoned. Diatomic molecules is the correct choice. Lapse rate is defined as?
You got it. Your choice temperature variation is right.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Nice work. You chose contact Narayan Changda, and it is correct.